Hello, my dear children. I am Manorma, primary teacher from Kendriya Vidyalaya Itawa, RO Agra. I hope that you all are doing well and trying to learn more even in the situation of pandemic of COVID-19. I am here to discuss the chapter 10 of class 3rd EVS, what is cooking. In this video lesson, we will cover two main competencies: observation and reporting, identification and classification. The targeted learning outcomes of this video lesson are: the students will be able to observe and identify the utensils. They will be able to name the metal by which the various utensils are made, and they will be able to identify the methods of cooking. Children, here in this picture, you can see the image of a utensil. This is pressure cooker. It is used to cook food quickly. The next is kadai. Kadai is a deep frying pan used to cook vegetables and frying food items. Here, this is tawa. Tawa is used to cook chapati, paratha and even dosa. The next one is handi. Handi is used to cook rice and biryani. Hey, these are karchi and ladles. It is used to serve the liquid food items. What is this? These are clay pots. Clay pots are used to store water and grains in villages. These are no longer in use nowadays. Here, different types of metals are used to make utensils. You can see that there are many utensils are made by different metals. The first is kadai, tawa, fry pan, etc. are made of iron. Jug, glass, water bottles, etc. are made of copper. Glass, tiffin box, bowls, plates, etc. can be made of steel. Glass, water bottles, plates, spoons, ladles, etc. are made of plastic. Pots, water coolers, etc. can be of clay. Plates, glass, bowls, cups, etc. can be of glass. Now we will see how these utensils made from different metals looks like. Here you can see the picture of iron made utensils. These look like these pictures. Here you can see the image of copper made utensils. These are steel made utensils which we generally use in our kitchen in our daily life. These are plastic made utensils. These are also used most frequently in our daily life. Hey children, you have seen many types of utensils. Now you must be thinking that which food items are made in these utensils and by which method. So, we will see here the different food items cooked by different methods of cooking. Here, first we will understand that what is cooking. Cooking is the process of preparing food by applying heat. Cooking makes the food soft, kill germs in food and make it easy to digest. We use 4 main ways of cooking food: boiling, frying, baking and roasting. Now, we will discuss these 4 methods one by one. Boiling. Boiling is the method of cooking food in boiling water or other water-based liquids. In this picture, you can see the eggs are being boiled in a hot water. The next method of cooking is frying. Frying means cooking in hot oil or butter without water. When only a small amount of oil or fat is used, it is called shallow frying. When the fat completely covers the food while cooking, it is called deep frying. Now the other method is baking. Baking is a method of preparing food that uses dry heat, normally in an oven, but can also be done in hot ashes or on hot stone. Here you can see in this picture that a lady is putting something in the oven. Now the next method of cooking is roasting. Roasting means method of cooking that uses dry heat, oven or other heat sources. Name of food items cooked by different cooking methods. Here you can see the methods of cooking, and in front of the method of cooking there are some food items. Those are cooked by these cooking methods. Boiling, potato, eggs. It means potato and eggs are cooked by boiling method. Roasting, chicken and papad. So it means that chicken and papad are cooked by roasting method. Puri, pakode are cooked by frying method, and cake and biscuits are cooked by baking method. Now children, here are some questions for your home assignment on the basis of this video lesson. Name 5 utensils from your kitchen. Name the utensil that is used for deep frying. Name 2 methods of cooking. Which method is used to cook cake? Thank you, my dear children.